Okay, is it coming? Can it go up the big bridge? It did it! We're out of track! Oh, thank goodness you were here, Mr. Conductor. You want to try to back up the whole way?
Okay, follow me, train. This guy's in the little. Okay, follow me, train. This guy's in the.
Olivia, did you see the train? Come on, Olivia.
Do you know this train goes backwards and forwards, right?
I didn't know that before. Oh, we're going through the tunnel. Should you honk the horn? Let everybody know you're coming. Oh no!
No worries, Grandpa can put it back on. Dang it! I'm a grandpa.
You're a grandpa?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, Pumpkin.
Oh no, what happened? Okay, going to.
Oh no.
Whoa! I'm gonna put that back on track. Grandpa could put that back. I could put him back on track. I'm a grandpa.
Did we make it all the way back?
What's in there?
It's in there? What's in there?
See that light?
I see a light. What's in there? I hear something.
That's not train.
Oh!